Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of the Miracle Mile shops, undergoing lots of facade changes, lots of money being spent on new lighting and new screens and everything. Right now I'm in front of Cabo Wabo as well, right outside the entrance to Miracle Mile shops. Not much to show you though. There's a lot of scaffolding and signage and a lot of boarded up places, so they should be finished with this project soon, but it looks like they've got probably another 2 or 3 months to go yet, so we'll see what happens in the future. But in the meantime, let's go inside Miracle Mile Mall and see what's going on in there, okay?
In your way, 'cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. 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 Yeah.
This is the Tipsy Robot. The first time I saw the Tipsy Robot, I was really impressed. But you know what? They're showing up everywhere now, including cruise ships.
Problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say, 'cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you.
Like I said, lots going on here at the Miracle Mile shops, which is part of Planet Hollywood. It's all owned by Caesars Entertainment, and you can have access to the Planet Hollywood Casino in several areas here in the mall. Lots going on, mostly outside. There's a lot of scaffolding, as you saw. Lots of new signage, lots of new LED signs going up because, well, you just can't have enough of lights here on the Las Vegas Strip. Inside, as you'll see, there's some cosmetic changes, nothing huge. There's also a big shakeup as far as retailers and restaurants and stuff. A lot of retailers and restaurants leaving and a lot of new ones coming in. Located inside the iconic Planet Hollywood Resort and Casino, Miracle Mile Shops features some of the most sought-after dining, entertainment, and shopping on the Las Vegas Strip. Spanning more than a mile, actually 1.2 miles, Miracle Mile Shops is one of the largest shopping malls in Las Vegas. They offer visitors of all ages a full day of browsing through an incredibly wide array of memorable and unique vendors offering apparel, art, fashion accessories, beauty products, souvenirs, and gifts. Visitors of all tastes and preferences will find something to enjoy in the 150 plus stores. With Miracle Mile Shops, shopping in Las Vegas becomes an adventure. This is Flight's restaurant where flavor is everything and served in threes, including brunch, lunch, dinner, cocktails, and desserts. That's right, cocktails served in threes. This tapas-style comfort food is meant to be shared.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Lady of the West, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in one of my latest Las Vegas videos, the Excalibur Hotel and Casino Tour. Congratulations, Lady of the West. As well as Deborah Camacho, who found Captain Morgan in one of my latest cruise-related videos, the Atlantis Royal Hotel and Casino in the Bahamas. Congratulations, Deborah Camacho. Nice job, ladies. This is Blondie's. The sexy side of sports comes alive in this ultimate sports bar. Score big with 35 plasma and big screen televisions, broadcasting all the biggest games, a full bar menu, and cheerleaders as well. This place is known for its happy hour. And like I said, work being done inside as well. I've got a big Caribbean cruise coming up on the Norwegian Gem in just a couple weeks, and soon after that I'll be revisiting Las Vegas and checking out the end result here at the Miracle Mile shops. Way back in the day, I had a roommate who was a Dallas fan, and I was a huge 49er fan, and this display just brought back memories. If you're looking for casual places to dine here in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, you really don't have to look much further than the Miracle Mile shops. They offer multiple renowned and beloved dining options right here within the mall, whether you're looking for a tasteful evening dinner, rowdy drinks in between shows, or an Instagram-worthy cocktail with your crew. They've put together a list of where to dine and drink in Las Vegas that's sure to satisfy your cravings. If you ever wondered how to get to the Hilton Grand Vacations Club or the Alara here on the Las Vegas Strip, well, it's right here in the Miracle Mile shops. I believe this is a timeshare. Let's check it out real fast before we head on and explore more here at the Miracle Mile shops.
I did, I jumped, I stepped right off that cliff without a parachute. I looked over the edge and saw the view of something I could never do, and nobody Part of me knew how, but the moment came and it had to be now. So I did it, I jumped, I stepped right off that cliff without a parachute. I did it, I jumped, I stepped right off that cliff without a parachute. No promises or thoughts, just hope that I could trust myself enough to jump. I'd know no peace until I took a breath, took a step, spread my arms and let the air catch me as I did. I jumped, I stepped right off that cliff without a parachute. It's a long way down.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
This is the Ocean One Bar and Grill. It brings its famous 3-for-1 all-day happy hour specials to the Miracle Mile shops. You can enjoy classic bar and grill menu items like burgers, salads, and appetizers, as well as fresh fish, steak, chicken, and chop specialties at amazing prices here. This is Papa's Steakhouse. The essence of Brazil is alive and well done at this Brazilian-style steakhouse and bar. Every cut of meat is simply prepared and spit roasted over a brick rodizio for authentic flavor and freshness. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. This is the American Bar and Grill, one of the casualties, unfortunately, here at the Miracle Mile shops as far as the remodel is concerned. They had to leave, and it was a great venue for live music. It's really unfortunate. And here we have the Earl of Sandwich, several locations here in Las Vegas, including the Miracle Mile shops. I had a great Thanksgiving Day sandwich here at the Earl of Sandwich. That video is available here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. And speaking of checking things out, hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work. If you love beer, and even if you don't, the Blue Moon Bar is the perfect place to grab a drink. Here you'll find a selection of draft brews including mango wheat and blood orange pale ale, plus refreshing Blue Moon cocktails mixed with things like spiced rum, lemonade, and vodka. It's located right by the entrance to the Zappos Theater, so stop in right before the show.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.